I'm Anshika Verma, and today in this video I'm going to talk about capillary action, and then we are going to do an activity to understand the capillary action. So let's hop into the video. Before going into the definition of capillary action, I want you to think about something. We know that the trees absorb water from the soil through roots. But have you ever wondered how this water reaches to the leaves at the very top of the trees against the gravitational force? One of the factors that help in transport of water in trees is capillary action. Capillary action is defined as the ability of any liquid to flow through narrow spaces of a solid material without the help of any other external forces. This flow can also be against the gravitational force. It occurs as a result of intermolecular attraction between the liquid and the surrounding solid surface. For example, when you dip a narrow glass tube in water, water moves up the length of the tube to a certain extent. This occurs because of the attraction between water molecules and molecules of the inner walls of the tube, thus pulling the water upwards. Similarly, in trees also, such narrow tubes called xylem vessels are present along their length. These vessels help in the transport of water in the trees through capillary action. Now let's take a look at the activity. So for the activity, we require transparent glasses and colored water and a couple of tissue papers. Colored water, you can use any type of colors for making the water colored, poster color or watercolor. I have used sketch pen inks. So you have to place the glasses in such a manner that there is an empty glass in between two water filled glasses. We need to take a tissue paper and we have to fold it in this manner. So the tissue paper has to be folded and it has to be made into a strip so that it can be put into the glasses like this. So once you have made the tissue paper strip, just fold it from between like this. So now as you can see the strip, you have to put the strip in the water filled glass in such a way that it goes inside and half of it is in the empty glass. So as you can see, the water has started to transfer from the water filled glass to the empty glasses. Now keep this assembly aside for 1 to 2 hours.
This is how the assembly looks after 2 hours. Water has risen up through the pores of the tissue paper and is transferred into the empty glass because of the attraction forces between water molecules and molecules of cellulose fibers in the tissue. And as you can see, because of the capillary action, a beautiful color gradient is made.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any queries, please drop them in the comments section. Thank you for watching.